Okay, I can feel a sneeze coming on, but I don't know if you can see the time. It's 10 to 2 in the morning, or 10 minutes before 2 in the morning, and I'm just about to go to bed because I've got to go to work tomorrow morning. But I can feel a sneeze coming on, so I quickly put my phone back on again. So what I'll do what I normally do. I'll turn all my lights off. I've got my glasses in my pocket. I've got my orange juice to take to bed with me. So I'm going to turn all the lights off, like I normally do. And I'm going to go into the extension where I normally go. And let's see if I sneeze. Maybe I don't, maybe I will. But I can feel one coming on, so. And normally at this time of night I sneeze pretty bad. Okay, there we go. I'm going to shut the extension door. And then I want to sit down. And this is a place I just sit for a few minutes. It's really, really quiet. And in the summer I can hear the birds singing. Very early in the morning or very late at night. Or I can hear the wind. Do you hear that? Silence. And I guess because I started talking, I'm not going to sneeze. That's a can't say that on YouTube. Can't use swear words. I can't use naughty words. But believe me, if I did, it would go beep, 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 beep. Anyway. Maybe I'll sneeze in a few minutes. So what I'll do, I'll just close this down. And if I do sneeze, I will add it to this video. Love you all, folks. Bye. Sorry.